Hi all. Uh, my name is Arun and I'm working as data engineer in software industry. So today I will guide you what are the skills required to become data engineer uh, in IT industry. So let's have a discussion on it. What are the skills? What are the technologies that are required to become a data engineer? So first of all, let us discuss that do we really need any programming language to become a data engineer? So my answer would be yes. I'm working in IT industry since almost 5.8 years, and my experience is a strong hold on programming language is always necessary to work in any field of software. If you have a strong, strong hold on any programming language, then it will be very much beneficial to solve real life problems. So let's discuss that what are the programming languages that are required to become data engineer. Programming languages required to become data engineer. So first and foremost, the most booming programming language, which is Python. Second, Java. Third, Scala. So if you know any of the programming language in these three, then then you are good to go for a data engineering role. But if you are not aware of any of the language and you want to learn any one language, then I will say I will I mean I will just guide you guys to learn Python. It is the most preferred language, like because of its multi-purpose uses. So it will always be beneficial if you will learn Python as the programming language for data engineering role. Apart from this, you will need to know a database, and in database, I will prefer SQL. If you know SQL as the programming language, then it will be very much beneficial. Apart from this, if you go to the big data side, if we go to the big data side, so in that case, uh, you guys should learn Hadoop, PySpark. No, basically Spark. If you are learning with the help of Python, if you are learning Spark with the help of Python, then it is called PySpark. So I would prefer you guys to learn PySpark. Uh, Apart from this Hive, if you know SQL database, then it will be very easy for you to understand Hive to learn quickly. You guys can learn quickly Hive if you already know SQL. Apart from this, if you want to do any kind of live streaming of data, then you will have to know Kafka. Uh, Also, there is one more technology which is used for live streaming of data, that is Spark streaming. uh, let's see one another technology which will be required to become a data engineer. Although this is not compulsory, but if you know, then it will be very much beneficial. AWS, this is Amazon Web Service. This is platform provided by Amazon. This is cloud platform provided by Amazon. Second is Azure, Microsoft Azure. This is cloud technology provided by Azure, provided by Microsoft. And third one is GCP, Google Cloud Platform. This is also one of the technology which is in demand for big data engineering role. Yeah, that's all from for today. Thank you.